Thanks for coming back for another video. I'm happy to show you guys another one of our Albany floor plans with some different colors compared to the one we had on here a few weeks back. Here on the front of this Albany floor plan, you'll see that we've got three really gorgeous uplights shining up on the home. At night, it really accentuates all of the architectural details. It looks really pretty. This front door has been also upgraded to one of our rain glass front doors, adding a little extra detail and some privacy while still bringing in some natural light into the home. As we walk in this home, you'll see that we still have the 10-foot ceilings, and we have these beautiful dark brown wood look tile floors. They're going to run from the front door all the way to the back door. You'll see more of that here shortly when we get into the family room. As you walk in here to our left, we're going to have two guest bedrooms and our guest bathroom. Here in the front bedroom, it is a good size for a guest bed or a kid's bedroom. And then all of the guest bedrooms also have very large walk-in closets. This guest bedroom is roughly 10 by 10, and the large walk-in closet easily makes up for the slightly smaller guest bedroom size. Here in guest bedroom number 2, you'll see that it's going to be roughly the same size, again with a large walk-in closet. And you'll see it very good in the family room, but if you missed it in the first bedroom and this guest bedroom, all of the window blinds as usual are going to be included here in our homes in Rainbow Ridge. Heading here into the guest bathroom, you'll see we've got the undermount kitchen sink included. Some really pretty tile floors. You got your towel rack there on the wall. And then we'll take a peek looking from the shower out to the door. You've got a really nice countertop. Toilet paper roll holder mounted next to it on the cabinets. And these tall sinks, and that's going to be in all of the bathrooms. Now we'll head over so you can see the mudroom area, which is directly in front of us, and then the doorway to the left is going to be the laundry room. And for the size of this home, this is a great size laundry room. And behind the door when we walk in, you'll see that there's actually some additional storage, which I think is really cool. So there's your extra storage space, and then that panel on the wall is going to be your structured wiring panel, and that's going to be part of your smart home package that's included, where all of your internet and cable lines will run to. And I think this is just a great storage space for your brooms, your shoes, your mops, whatever you want. Now we'll head out here and take a peek into the garage. Out here you'll see that you have your garage door opener already included. All of our garage doors are insulated doors, which is great. And then you've got your 50-gallon water heater over here in the corner. And then the little white box on the wall is going to be your sprinkler system control box. You got a little close-up of your water heater, and then right here behind this white panel is a water shutoff valve. Super convenient. So if you're ever going out of town and you want to shut the water off to be safe, you can do it right there. And then this is going to be the location for your pull-down ladder to get into the attic to change your air filters. And we will pop this garage door open real quick to give you a little view. As you can see from here, and hopefully you have from the other videos, we have some very gorgeous houses. And you can see that just by us popping open the garage and seeing the homes across the street. As we head here into the family room, you'll see again the large 10-foot ceilings. You've got a nice coat closet here right before you enter the family room. And then you've got these gorgeous dark brown wood floors all throughout that just make the whole space look so rich and inviting. This home has a gorgeous kitchen with portobello black cabinets, granite countertops, and we'll take a closer look at those here shortly. And you can really see how much the 10-foot ceilings make the whole space feel even larger in here. You got the beautiful can lights included for a sleek, clean look. The undermount kitchen sink. And this home we did the black appliances with the flat glass cooktop, which I think looks absolutely stunning with the portobello black cabinets. This is a great sized dining section here off of the kitchen. And then here in the backyard, we've got a really nice covered patio. This yard is so nice, and this is one of our average size lots in the community. Because this is one of our smaller plans, you do get quite a bit more yard. And our stained fence and metal posts, as always, are included, along with the sprinkler system. And the sprinkler system is included front, back, and sides on the home. And you can get a much better view right there of those window blinds that I had mentioned. And these 3 big picture windows really bring in a ton of natural light into the home. Really brightens up the whole space, makes it feel so large and inviting. Now let's take a little closer look at the kitchen. Again, these beautiful wood-like tile floors are just so pretty. This undermount sink makes it look so much more custom, and the pull-out faucet, and both of these are very minimally priced upgrades that we added. Here you've got the flat glass cooktop. There's me in the microwave saying hello. And then over here we'll take a look at this pantry, which is also incredibly well sized for this home. One of the things that I really like about this kitchen is directly next to the pantry, you've got this really cool little coffee bar right here. I just really like it. These 2 smaller cabinet doors that open, you've got space for all your coffee, a little counter space if you want your coffee maker or Keurig. I just think it's a really nice touch. And then we've also got our full pull-out drawers on metal slides. These will support a good amount of weight, and they'll pull out all the way so you don't have to dig into the back like the old school drawers. Now let's head into the master bedroom, which is probably my favorite thing on this home, because while this is one of our smallest floor plans, this is one of the biggest master bedrooms that we have. These huge 10-foot ceilings, like always, make it feel so much bigger, but this master bedroom is actually slightly larger than the Lincoln floor plan, which is our model home. And then adding these bay windows in here, you get just that little extra, which makes the whole room feel so much bigger. You could easily have a king size bed in here, your nightstands, a sitting area here in the bay windows, and still have room to spare. One of the other things that I really enjoy about this is that you have the French doors going into the bathroom. And just the little extra detail with the bay window inset is so nice. And then up there you've got your ceiling fan, and as always your ceiling fan is going to be included in the master bedroom and in your family room. And then here as we enter into the bathroom, you'll see that we've extended the 10-foot ceilings into this bathroom. You've got your double undermount sinks that are included, which just looks so pretty. And then you've got your separate shower and tub. And this home does have the upgraded half glass shower wall. And it looks so nice. This master bathroom just seems so big and open and spacious. Again, this is probably one of my favorite floor plans. Even though it is our smallest, I just love the flow of this plan. And then here you're going to have your separate toilet area with a door to close off the world while you're thinking and pondering in peace. And then at the end of the bathroom, you're going to have a very good sized walk-in closet, tons of space for all your clothes, your shoes, whatever else that you want to put in here. You've got the space, and we would be happy for you to do it. As this video comes to an end, I just wanted to thank you all for coming by and watching another one of the home tours here in Rainbow Ridge. I can't explain to you guys how much I appreciate all of you watching. I'm so ecstatic that we were able to break 1,000 subscribers last month, and we are well on our way to hitting 1,300 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos, please feel free to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with anyone who may be interested. As always, thank you guys, and see you on the next video. Have a great one.